Welcome to Insect News and World Report at 6. We are your anchors, Mr. John Feigning, and I am Dr. Andrina Schufran. This is the July 1st, 2020 edition. First up tonight, insect world dominance. Insects and their relatives have been on Earth for more than 500 million years. It's estimated by statisticians that while we only have one species of human, there are more than 20 million species of insects and their relatives. To put this into perspective, all the ants on planet Earth outweigh all the 7.5 billion people on Earth. That's a lot of ants, and that's just the ants. There are countless billions and billions of insects around us at all time. They are in the air, they are in the soil. You can find them in the water and skating on the water. In fact, you can find insects from your eyelashes all the way to Antarctica. In fact, we owe our very existence to insects. People are very familiar with pollination, and pollination accounts for about 1/3 of the food humans eat every day. Plus, there's also, you can eat bugs if you wish to. Insects fertilize and aerate the very soil under our feet. Insects decompose, and that adds more fertilizer into the soil. They can decompose dead bodies, like maggots. They can compose plant material, like termites. And they can decompose poop, like a dung beetle. Insects are so numerous, they are the bottom of the Earth's food chain. Therefore, they're supporting all the rest of animal life on their little tiny backs. Insects are also the most deadly animals on Earth. When you hear that, most people are going to be thinking spiders. But it's actually disease-transmitting insects and their relatives, like mosquitoes and ticks, which actually transmit enough disease to the human population that 4 million people a year are killed. To discuss this topic of insect world dominance, we've brought on a local expert to discuss this topic. Miss Denise Branch. Your thoughts on this subject? This just in. You can go to college and study insects to become an entomologist. In fact, there's a whole science of bugs called entomology. You can go to a 4-year university, like Oklahoma State University, and come out with a great degree and lots of job opportunities. They estimate that there may be as many as 5 jobs waiting for each entomologist upon graduation. And that is all we have for this edition. Say goodnight, John. Good night and be well from all of us at the Insect News and World Report.